your name, check the date, make sure it's right. A proper ECG starts with clear sight. Paper speed and voltage, don't miss a clue. Then rate comes first, let's count it through. Rate, rhythm, axis, waves and segments. Follow these steps, you'll ace your assessments. PQRST, keep it in mind. With DrBarai, ECG's alive. Count the big boxes, 300, 150, 175, yeah, keep it nifty. Regular or not, that's rhythm's role. Sinus or funky, let's take control. Lead eye, AFib, thumbs up or down. Left or right, let's break it down. If both thumbs up, it's normal, you see. Left or right, deviate, that's pathology. Rate, rhythm, axis, waves and segments. Follow these steps, you'll ace your assessments. PQRST, keep it in mind. With DrBarai, ECG's alive. P-wave smooth, no flutter or fib. P-wad too long, blocks got a grip. QRS wide, thick bundle belay. ST changes, check for MI today. Elevation, depression, stemmings at play. T-wave flips, K plus gone astray. QT too long, watch for the twist. Torsades is lurking, don't miss the gist. Rate, rhythm, axis, waves and segments. Crack the ECG, build your confidence. DrBarai steps, now you can see. Master the art of ECG.